Introducing the 2024 Genesis G70, a luxury compact sedan that combines sophisticated design with engaging handling to deliver a well-rounded driving experience. From its powerful turbocharged engines to its refined interior, the G70 is as sweet to drive on a back road as it is luxurious during the daily commute. With its stylish exterior design and attention to detail, the G70 is an appealing alternative to established players in its class. Step inside and you'll find an attractive and feature-rich cabin, equipped with a 10.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. The G70 isn't quite as roomy as its rivals, however. Its small back seat is slightly smaller than that of the BMW 3 Series and the Acura TLX. Cargo volume is much smaller than its cheap competitors, too. Safety is a top priority in the G70, with standard driver assist features like automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control to provide added peace of mind on the road. With its combination of performance, luxury, and value, the 2024 Genesis G70 remains an appealing alternative to established players in the compact sports sedan segment.